Today we're diving deep into a showdown between the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Is the newer model worth the upgrade? Let's break it down. Starting with design, both the iPhone 16 Pro and the 15 Pro Max showcase Apple's signature premium feel. The 16 Pro has slightly more refined edges and come in some fresh colors, while the 15 Pro Max has the iconic matte finish. The 16 Pro is also a bit lighter, which might be a plus for some, but overall, how much does design matter when the both are so sleek? The 15 Pro Max, while still stunning, sticks with the classic look. Both are built with premium materials, but the 16 Pro feels just a tad more refined in hand. What do you think? Is a new color enough to sway you? Moving on to displays, the iPhone 16 sports a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, just like the 15 Pro Max's 6.7-inch version. However, the 16 Pro has enhanced peak brightness, making it easier to view in direct sunlight. Plus, it features slightly thinner bezels. If you're a media consumer, you'll appreciate these improvements, but the 15 Pro Max still holds its own with stunning visuals. If you're a content creator, this could be a game changer. Now let's get into performance. The iPhone 16 Pro is equipped with the A17 chip, while the 15 Pro has the A16 chip. In benchmark text, the A17 shows a noticeable improvement in graphic performance, which is great for gamers or video editors. But how about everyday tasks? You might not notice a huge difference if you're just browsing or using social media. But when it comes to battery life, the 15 Pro Max has a slight advantage due to its larger battery. Users report longer usage time, especially with heavy app users. The 16 Pro's battery is solid, but for heavy users, the Max might still be the way to go. Next up is the camera. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts an upgraded triple camera system with improved low light performance and advanced computational photography features. The 15 Pro Max, with its larger sensor, excels in capturing stunning images, especially in challenging lighting. Both phones offer ProRAW and ProRes video capabilities, but the 16 Pro introduces new features like enhanced night mode and better zoom quality. If photography is a priority for you, the choice might come down to how much you value those incremental improvements. Now, software-wise, both models run iOS 17. You'll get a seamless experience with features like customizable lock screens and improved widgets. However, the 16 Pro may get new features sooner due to its newer hardware. If you're the type who loves to have the latest software capabilities, that could be a deciding factor. Finally, let's talk about price. The iPhone 16 Pro is priced higher than the 15 Pro Max, which makes some potential buyers pause. If you're on a budget or satisfied with the 15 Pro Max, it might be the better option right now. But for those looking for the latest technology, the 16 Pro could be worth the investment. The iPhone 16 Pro comes in at a premium price, but the 15 Pro Max has also been a significant investment. For those considering an upgrade, think about what features matter most to you. If camera performance and cutting-edge technology are priorities, the 16 Pro might be worth the extra cash. But if you're satisfied with the 15 Pro Max, it's still a powerhouse. So, which phone should you choose? The 16 Pro offers exciting upgrades, especially for those who prioritize camera performance and processing power. However, the iPhone 15 Pro Max remains a formidable option with its larger display and longer battery life. What's your take? Are you considering an upgrade, or do you think the 15 Pro Max still holds strong? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.